Hello and welcome to part 9 of this web design tutorial for teens. In this part, we will be talking more about styling divs. Now as you can see, we have the same setup as last time, with one container div with text and another div inside of that container div. First, let's make the border of the child div visible. As usual, we type border, then solid. Next, we will use a new CSS property to add a shadow around the div. The CSS property that we will use is called box shadow. To use it, we type box dash shadow and then a colon. This is where it gets a bit complicated. First we type 5px. This means that the box shadow has a width of 5 pixels. Then we type 5px again. This means that the shadow has a height of 5 pixels. Then we type 1 pixel. This means that the shadow is 1 pixel larger than the actual div. Now if we save and refresh, we can see that there's now a shadow around the div. We can also make our border curve. To do this, we will go into our style sheet and then type border dash radius and then a colon. Now we can type how much of a curve we want around the border. I will type 10px. Now if we save and refresh, we can see that now the border around our div is curved. Now even if we make our border invisible, the border radius still remains. Thank you for watching. This has been part 9 of this web design tutorial for teens.